Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Sasha. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the new Shayla X Colourpop Proceed with Caution collection. I'm super excited and super proud of Shayla. I can't wait to dig in this with you guys. So if you guys are interested in checking out all of the goodies that is in this cute box, proceed with caution, girl. Come on! Alright, so let's go ahead and get into all of the products. I'm just going to give you guys a short little rundown and maybe a little swatch game of it. I'm probably not going to swatch the blushes for you because I think that's kind of like unrealistic for me to swatch the blushes on my skin. I will swatch the eyeshadows and the lipsticks for you guys, and then I'm going to go ahead and get into how I created this look, girl, and then overall what I think of the palette. I'm pretty sure you guys, and everything, the blush, lipstick, lip liners, I'm pretty sure you guys can kind of already tell my thoughts, but let's go ahead and get into it. So you guys, I did pick up the Shayla X Colourpop Proceed with Caution Collection 2 PR package. This was retailing for $54, but I think right now they have it on sale for $49. I'm absolutely loving this packaging. Now, it's a lot more throwaway friendly than her last PR packaging, and I'm not necessarily a fan of that because I personally like to keep them as keepsakes. But if you guys don't like to keep this stuff around, you guys probably won't feel as bad for getting rid of it. I love the caution tape stuff. I like the traffic just sayings on it. It's absolutely adorable. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the lip and lip liner duo. I think these are so cute. They kind of remind me of like the Kylie lip kits. You're going to have speed up and slow down. And these are the swatches left to right, speed up and slow down. My personal favorite is slow down and BFF4. So next I have the pressed powder blushes. I love how they say under construction. They're in the color Whistle While You Twerk and Construct. My favorite other two is Construct because of the tone and the gold reflexes. And last but not least, we have the Proceed with Caution Pressed Powder Palette. Oh my god, guys, these eyeshadows are so cute. I love the packaging and how she has the names on not only the outside of the box, but on the inside in the front, girl. And then the top says Proceed with Caution. The packaging is easy to clean and it's black. It has a big old mirror. Couldn't ask for anything more, and she also added the names in the back as well, so super nice. We have Proceed, Maintenance, Dead End, Warning, Hazard, Caution, Drill, Culture, and Gloves On. Now starting off this look, I'm going to be using Culture. If you guys have her last palette, you guys probably love Culture as a transition shade. I know I do. She had it in her last palette, and I'm so happy that she put it in this palette. Some people may not like it, but I feel like if you don't got a transition color, girl, it's hard to do things with your life, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and blend this in so we can get started with this look, girl. Now the next shade I'm going to pick up is called Drill. This is more of like a shimmery shade. I know you guys are probably thinking, why are you putting that in the crease? But trust me, trust your friend, eh? It's going to work out perfectly. Now, the next color I'm going to be going in with is going to be Maintenance. This is a matte shade. I love this shade. This shade is, I feel like these colors are good year-round, like more so for the fall. I know a lot of people gravitate towards these colors towards the fall, but girl, I can wear them all year-round, especially nights, summer nights. Like, summer nights, eh? I'll be setting it off in the neighborhood, eh? And the club better not even think about charging me when I get in because I look like I'm going to slay the night away, okay? So just because your girl is feeling frisky and risky, I'm going in with Hazard. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on the outer V. Now, right now, it's probably not looking like much because this is a shimmer shade on top of a matte shade. And sometimes that can be kind of difficult to work out. But trust me, the formula is great. You can definitely build this up. Just take your time. Be patient. You ain't got nowhere to go right now. So blend, blend, blend. So to deepen this even more, because I want this look to be very smoky on the, like around the actual color I'm going to apply in the center, like I'm going to cut the crease in just a moment. So I want to get that like nice, just smoky look. So I'm going to go in with gloves on and deepen that outer V. Now I do want to apologize right now for looking like somebody's crazy neighbor that's ready to go outside and cuss out the neighborhood kids, but I swear to God, I am not going to look like that at the end of the video. So now it's time to cut the crease. Use whatever you prefer to cut the crease. I personally love the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Sand. I use this to cut my crease all the time. I don't gravitate to use it as a concealer for like under my eyes anymore, but it definitely does the damn thing with keeping your shadows in place as far as cutting the crease, and that's just kind of the reason why I continue to purchase it, if I'm being perfectly honest. The formula is poppin', but I do feel like they need a more shade range. Like, they have shades, don't get me wrong, but the undertones are just all over the place. So Tarte, if you need some help, like, I know I'm a small little YouTuber, but the girl here would love to help. So now for one of what I think is actually the best colors in the actual palette, and probably the reason why she's able to use that Caution with such confidence is because of this yellow shade called Caution. It is so freaking gorgeous. It is a matte shade, so do keep that in mind. It works very well on top of the concealer. As you can see, it does deepen up a little bit, but once it settles in, it looks as if it did in the palette. It applies really nice. Don't be alarmed by the dustiness. It is a matte one. It's going to do that. It's going to have a little kick up, but it's fine. Everything's good in the neighborhood, girl. I'm just loving the formula. I'm loving everything about it. It packs on beautifully. It's super vibrant. And if you are not a fan of just the flat matte look, definitely just go ahead and put Dead End on top of it to give yourself a little shimmer. You don't have to go too crazy. You can even throw on Warning. Just tap it on lightly with your fingers or a fluffy brush, and it will just liven itself up. So you guys, I went ahead and finished up the eyes so far. We're going to come back to them, like put lashes and mascara and stuff. I'll probably do that off of camera and then just put the color on the bottom lower lash line with you guys. I'm going to go ahead and put on foundation. I'm using the Colourpop foundation in Dark 155. I like this foundation. I haven't used it maybe 2 weeks ago I used it, and then before that I haven't used it for like over a month and a half. I'm using the concealers. I use these all the time. I love these. These are the Colourpop No Filter concealers. I'm using the shade Dark 36, or Medium Dark 36 and Deep Dark 56. I'm going to use one to contour and the other one to highlight underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to set it with the banana powder. This is the No Filter Setting Banana Powder from Colourpop as well. So this is going to be a whole Colourpop look, girl. So after I'm done, we'll go ahead and come back to do like the blush and the lips and all that good stuff. I'm going to be using Shayla's highlighter from her last collection. Probably use the Boomin highlighter. So that's the highlighter you guys will be seeing when I apply after the blush. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so this is what I've got so far. I went ahead and threw some lashes on, put some liner. Of course I did my foundation, concealer, you know, set the contour, all of that good stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and move on. Let's do blush. I'm going to be using Construct. I actually like this. I've used this entire collection already. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys see me post a look with it like earlier in the weekend. Well, earlier in the weekend, later in the week last week. I posted a look using that. So I really like it. I think it's super pretty and I'm going to use it. I used the other one and I thought it was really nice. A little brighter than I usually go for, but it's really pretty. I'm going to spray my face just to make sure everything is set. And then I'm going to go in with just a little bit of highlighter. So I'm going to be taking the Colourpop or Shayla X Colourpop collection from her last one. And this is going to be in the color Boomin'. And this is like a loose setting powder. I still have, oh my god, I dropped it all over my leg. I still have so much of this. Like, this stuff is probably never going to run out. Because there's so much, unless, God forbid, it falls or something. And I love it. Look at how good.
too much for my flights. I pay way too much for my clothes. I'm just too damn cool for these hoes. Someone please just hand me my phone so I can get back into my zone. Everyone just leave me alone.
Hey guys. Cute. So let's do lips. I'm definitely going to be using, not Speed Up, to my lap. I'm going to be using Slow Down. I freaking love this shade, girl. Okay. I'm definitely in love with both lip liners. I'm so freaking happy that she listened to me and she went ahead and put some lip liners. If you guys watched my last video, that's what I asked for. I'll put a little clip right here to show you guys. I do wish, I mean, I understand that they're like liquid lipsticks and you don't need a lip liner for lip gloss, obviously. But I never mentioned in my other video that I wish she would have came out with the lip liner, because she's always wearing the lip liner with all her lipsticks. So that would have been a cute little thing for her to come out with, and maybe that's something that she'll come out with in the future. Ooh, Shayla, that's something you should come out with in the future. You should come out with Colourpop. Come here, you two. Let's settle. So I think you guys should come out with like a lip liner collection. I'd be like so poppin'. I totally would be down for that, because you're always wearing a lip liner with all your colors usually, especially those nudes. So I think you should come up with a lip liner collection for us. That'd be good, girl. I think you should do that. So I would be down for that, because lip liner is definitely something I feel like was missing throughout both of the collections. And I'm like down for that. So I had to order Beeper. I ordered Beeper. It's around here somewhere. It's right here. Love the shade. Love the shade in a liquid lipstick. I had another shade, which I'll put right here. I forgot the name of it because I can't find it anywhere. And it's sold out. So I'm kind of disappointed. We need a lip liner collection. Let's do that. So as you guys seen, I was like requesting a lip liner. Got what I needed. Super happy about it. She listens to her people, so I was super happy about that. She gave us a BFF 3 and a BFF 4. I'm in love with BFF 4 just because it's that perfect like 90s dark chocolate brown that we all need in our life. But this BFF 3 is like what I wished BFF 2 was to me, if you know what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this one. I've been loving how this looks. Like, it's so fire. I wear it on Mother's Day and I was just feeling myself. So I really like this shade. Look at that. So freaking pretty. And then the BFF 4 is a little darker. But I like how this has like a little bit of like a hint of like a reddy caramelly something going on. I like it. And then on top of that, I'm just gonna go in with Slow Down. And I'm just gonna put this in the inner portion of my lips and then just move it around while it's still wet. This is a freaking look, girl, but I'm not done yet. I still gotta get the bottom lash line, girl. Okay. So in the bottom lash line, I'm gonna go back into the palette and I'm going to take this shade right here and this shade and this shade, and I'm just gonna mix them all together. Now that I apply that color to the lower lash line, I'm just gonna go ahead and go into the inner tear duct with this golden shade right here that's called Dead End. I'm just too damn cool for these hoes. Someone please just hand me my phone so I can get back into my zone. I'm gonna spray this. Okay. And then I'm gonna go in with that yellow and I'm gonna blend in that gold and that black together, like right here. Everyone just leave me alone. Okay. Now Thinking I should do mascara and some liner on the bottom lashes. I'm actually gonna take gloves on, and I'm gonna use that as like a liner. I can't really find my liner right now, and I don't got time to be looking for that, girl. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like this look. I'm so excited for Shayla. Congratulations on your new palette. And the other stuff that was included, of course. I'm super loving the lip liners. Super grateful for the lipsticks. Like I said, the formula is really good on this. Do I feel like it's anything that we haven't seen? Not necessarily. I do like the story color on this though, so I can appreciate, like, I can take this somewhere and do so many looks with this and get like a day and night, something dramatic, something subtle. I can do a lot with this, so I do appreciate the color story, and I'm in love with the packaging. So will I be using this? Hell yes, I'll be using this. Will I be using the blushes? Hell yes, girl. So let me know if you guys want to see some more looks with this, if you guys just want to see some more looks with just the product individually. Let me know if you guys picked it up, what you guys thought about it. I want to know, because your girl's feeling herself right now. I'm loving this look. She definitely was serving us 90s, early 2000s, like, slay. So I'm definitely here for it. So thank you, Shayla. Like always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody who might find it useful. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, feel free to check out some of my other videos. Also, follow me on Instagram at IamSashaFierce411.